Before buying a monitor arm wall mount, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Mount Pro Single Monitor Wall Mount. First up is the Mount Pro Single Monitor Wall Mount. Priced at $29.99, this caught my eye with its adjustable height and full motion capabilities. If you want to maximize your workspace while enhancing your viewing comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mount supports monitors from 13 to 32 inches and can hold up to 19.8 pounds. The full motion adjustments let you tilt, swivel, and rotate your monitor, giving you a perfect angle for any task, whether it's gaming or working. Plus, the integrated cable management keeps your cords organized, which is a game changer for a clean desk. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate the flexibility it offers. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky, especially if you don't have the right wall type. Here's the thing though, if you can follow the instructions carefully, it's doable for most people. Just make sure you have the right wall setup. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you're looking for something compatible with larger monitors or you want an ultra-heavy-duty mount. Overall, for the price and functionality, it's definitely a solid pick. Now, if Mount Pro's installation concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Wally TV Wall Mount. Next up is the Wally TV Wall Mount, which is priced at just $13.98. The price definitely caught my attention, and it has a great rating of 4.5 stars from over 23,000 reviews. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, flexible option, this mount is worth considering. This wall mount is compatible with most 13 to 32-inch TVs or monitors, and can hold up to 33 pounds, making it a reliable choice for many setups. The full motion design allows for plus or minus 15 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, perfect for finding that sweet spot based on where you sit. Plus, it extends 15 inches from the wall, giving you the flexibility to adjust as needed. Users love the space-saving design, which is ideal if you're trying to declutter your workspace. However, some users mention that it doesn't fit well with certain TV models due to varying mounting hole placements. Here's the thing, if your TV or monitor has the right VESA pattern, you'll be golden, but double-check before buying. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, cost-effective solution that offers decent flexibility. Skip this one if you have a larger monitor or want something that's a bit more heavy-duty. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with larger screens. Product number 3, VIVO Full Motion Ultrawide Monitor Wall Mount. The VIVO Full Motion Ultrawide Monitor Wall Mount comes in at $19.99. This one really grabbed my attention for its compatibility with ultrawide monitors, supporting screens up to 49 inches. If you're someone who works with those larger displays, this is definitely worth a look. What makes this mount stand out is its heavy-duty design, supporting up to 44 pounds. It features a tilt range of plus 5 degrees to degrees and a swivel of plus 45 degrees to minus 45 degrees, giving you plenty of flexibility to find that perfect angle. Plus, the low-profile design means it can collapse flat against the wall, saving you some serious space. With over 5,100 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, many users rave about its sturdiness and ease of use. Here's the thing, while it might take a bit of patience, once it's up, it's super reliable and looks great. This is perfect for you if you're using an ultra-wide monitor for gaming or work. Skip this one if you have a smaller monitor setup or prefer a mount with a more straightforward installation process. For the price and what it offers, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something that's all about double functionality, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Wally Computer Monitor Wall Mount. The Wally Computer Monitor Wall Mount is next, priced at $28.49. This one is designed for screens from 17 to 32 inches and has a solid 4.4-star rating from over 4,100 reviews. If you want an adaptable solution that opens up your desktop, this is worth checking out. This means you can easily switch from landscape to portrait mode, which is handy for coding or design work. Users appreciate how it significantly reduces desk clutter, giving them more space to work. The sturdy construction also means it should stand the test of time. However, one complaint I came across is that some users found the arm a bit stiff when adjusting. Here's the thing though, if you're not constantly moving it around, this could actually be a benefit since it means it holds your monitor securely in place. This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve ergonomics in your workspace. Skip this one if you need a mount for larger monitors or prefer something with easier adjustments. For its price and functionality, it's definitely a solid option. Now, if you want something that really maximizes your wall space, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Mount Pro Extra Long Adjustable Monitor Arm. Finally, we have the Mount Pro Extra Long Adjustable Monitor Arm, which is priced at $39.99. This one really excels in flexibility, extending up to 25.67 inches from the wall. If you need a mount that allows for diverse positioning, this is worth your attention. What's great about this mount is its full motion adjustability. You can tilt it plus 90 degrees, swivel it +/90 degrees, and even rotate it 360 degrees, allowing you to find the exact angle you need. Plus, it supports monitors up to 32 inches and 17.6 pounds, making it quite adaptable. The integrated cable management helps keep your space tidy. And with a 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, many users appreciate how it enhances their workspace. Here's the thing, while it may be on the higher end of the price spectrum, the flexibility it offers can be worth it if you frequently change your monitor setup. This is perfect for you if you want an adjustable solution for multiple viewing angles. Skip this one if you have a smaller monitor or prefer a more basic mount. For its features, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, each of these mounts has its strengths. Whether you want budget-friendly options like Wally or need the advanced adjustability of Mount Pro, there's something for everyone. Happy mounting! In conclusion, we've covered 5 fantastic monitor arm wall mounts. From Mount Pro's budget-friendly options to the flexibility of VIVO and Wally, there's a mount that can fit your needs perfectly. Choose based on your monitor size and workspace requirements, and you'll be set up for a comfortable and organized setup in no time.